Oh my god. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Introducing my friend Joshna, and we both are trying hers and mine favorite lipsticks under fair skin tone and
Dusky skin tone.
so
Yeah, this is how we will be doing, and we'll be doing a color theory test if the lipstick suit the fair skin tone more or the dusky skin tone. So let's get started.
starting with Maybelline Super Stay Teddy Tint. It's actually nude brown.
It looks good on the one hand. It doesn't look like a
Yes, this is so natural. This is so good on both skin tones.
this looks good. I mean,
Like, this is your favorite lipstick, right?
yeah, this is one of my go-to lipsticks. I mean, for everyday use, these are perfect.
Yes, not only you, it also looks good, so
Yeah.
good on me.
Yeah, it does. It does. I mean, it is a beautiful shade, guys, which looks
Yes.
good on every skin tone, I believe. So, must take it.
Let's start and the one. The next lipstick is from Maybelline. It is the Creamy Matte Bullet Lipstick under the shade East Village Rose. So this is something mauve pinkish, I guess. Let's check.
It's a very good shade. And that looks nice. It's kind of a dusty pink. Kind of
The
shade.
formula is so great. Wow. Wow.
It looked nice.
This is so cute shade.
Looks a little bit pale to me. And then, okay, I would rate like a 6 out of 10.
For dusky, but I would rate 8 around because this is so natural, so good. Like, yes.
I mean, it would look great if I have put a brown lip liner.
Yes.
That will look good in a dusky skin
You
tone.
can mix and match.
We can do a mix and match, yeah.
So yeah, this lipstick is good and we are rating it. You are rating it 6, right?
I will rate it 6.
So I'll rate it 7 or 8.
Yeah, it is good for dusky, fair skin tone, guys. Must.
Now we are going to try this Pilgrim Dubai Bling Glitter Lipstick. So I bought this like recently and this is shade number 5 Royal Noor and let's try this.
It is one of the
So-
most viral lipsticks. Wow, look at that bling.
Like, I don't know
That is seriously amazing.
how it's just,
Oh, the formula is too good. Too.
let's check.
Oh, swap is too good. Wow, I love the shade already. I really love the shade. Wow, that is too good shade, man. Too good shade.
Like, I'm not even. It's just one swap. Can you see the glitter? Like,
Too
it's
good.
not so chunky glitters. It's just the subtle glitter settled on your lips and which gives you the glam look. This is so good. Give it a try. I think this will look best on your skin tone.
This is too good of a shade. I mean, look at this. Oh my god.
So good on your skin tone.
I mean, you don't need to put it like.
Yeah.
I mean, it's so good. So good. I love the shade already. I mean, it is too good of the shade.
Yes, so the formula, the color, it's like
Too good.
too good, and we are giving it 10.
10, yeah.
From my side.
It would shade like suit
So
all,
the skin
tones.
types, yes. Okay. Another lipstick from the same Pilgrim brand, Dubai Bling lipstick. This is shade number 8, Her Highness. So I just want to compare these two. Like, guys, so this is little red and brick red or brown kind of thing, which is currently I'm wearing this, and this is This is little burgundy shade,
Yeah,
like
kind of berry shade.
yeah, berry shade, and this is the brick brown shade. It's this.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, as you said, this is that berry color. Um,
A little bit dark.
yeah. So this is little dark for me.
You could go easily. I mean, for fair skin girlies.
I think this will look good on you.
Uh,
Yes.
yeah,
So
this looks good on the dusky skin girlies.
yes.
I mean, this is a beautiful party. You know, when you have want to go to a party,
That
you
for
can.
that glam look,
Yeah.
you can wear this. Even face skin can wear for that like heavy makeup look.
Yeah, this is a very beautiful lipstick, guys. It's a must go to lipstick for your all your that girly and
Glam
party
up look.
glam up look.
Again, it's Maybelline New York Lifter Gloss lipstick under the shade 16 Rust. So this is a gloss, guys. Let's see.
I mean, Maybelline has good products. So I mean, it looks
Yeah.
beautiful. Interesting. Nice. I mean,
Like currently, I'm so much obsessed with gloss. I wanted to try this gloss, but yeah,
it looks good. It looks good.
this has that sheer look, which is again a glamour product. Whenever you want to go for a party night or dinner party, you can wear this. Yes, again, this looks good on you, like
Yeah.
a proper nude.
It's a nude kind of,
Yes.
you know, that the orangey kind of
Yes,
shade for
rust.
the dusky skin girlies. I believe it's a little bit like reddish. I mean, goes some reddish on your
Orange
skin.
is yes,
Yeah, but
and
it's-
for your skin, it's like nude, and for my skin, it's like so bright. What I feel.
You can just take it as your office party look. We can wear your formals and you can, you know, have this.
Yes.
This will elevate all the look. Trust me, guys. This is
Yes.
a must. I mean, if you want to have the glam, boss lady office look, so must.
Yeah, must try, and I would give this 7.
I would give this as an 8 because this is my go-to favorite lipstick for all the events. So yeah.
Have the Nykaa No Transfer lipstick under the shade Regal Ruby.
I believe this was one of the like go-to lipsticks most people.
Yes, maybe, but I never tried this. Let's try.
Looks. This is a proper red shade.
Yeah. Uh, the color is good on me. It's not that bright red, I feel, on you.
Uh, no, I mean,
It
It looks
looks a little pinkish side,
yeah,
right?
on a it looks a bit pinkish kind of red. I mean, the camera is not doing its justice. I wish I could show that.
Yes.
Yeah.
But this is one of the prettiest shade.
I mean,
This is the prettiest shade, one of the prettiest shade till now. So I would rate it 9. I love this shade.
I would rate it at 8. I mean, this is one of those lipsticks where you can just, you know, put on a shirt, do no makeup, just put the lipstick and it will, you know, just elevate your look. So, yeah,
Yeah.
this is that kind of lipstick. So, yeah, I will give it a 8.
We have Swiss Beauty Kiss Proof Liquid Lipstick under the shade Dried Mauve. Okay, this is completely a pink shade, like a sketch pen. I don't know how it does this look on me.
I'm already afraid of this.
Yeah, but yeah, this is a pretty pink color.
It looks good.
Let's see. I never tried this color. I don't know.
Interesting. It's good on you. I mean,
Yeah,
okay. I mean, if you use a lip liner or maybe something, but on its own, okay-ish.
To be honest, I did not like this much because something is not matching. Something is not.
drying also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Oh my god, I don't want to. I'm afraid of this shade. Like, I know how it will look like and imagine. Oh no, no, no.
But you have to.
Oh, no. No,
No,
no, no, no.
Let's see. Let's see. No, try. Try that. Like, you can try this with a lip liner if you want.
No, I mean, even the lip liner won't save it. Oh god, it looks so bad. It looks like those, those kind of lipsticks that Barbie kind
Yeah,
of lipsticks.
yes.
No, not at all for me.
Okay, but yeah, to be honest, now this is like I feel this looks little good. If you have fair skin tone, but still undertone matters. My undertone is warm,
Yeah.
so this might
Yeah.
look good for pink undertone, cool undertone.
Cool undertones and with a fair skin.
Yeah.
Not at all for warm
dusky-
undertones. I mean, not at all. Trust me, this looks so bad. I mean,
But fair skin tone or with cool undertone might suit good because this is like pretty okay for me.
but the
So-
formula is also not good. I mean,
Yeah, the
it's
formula
bit
is not good.
chappy and
This is
dry
so
on the
chappy
lips.
and dry.
I have to do-
So I would rate this 4, and you minus.
Minus, yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to try our go-to lip crayons. So these lip crayons are from Swiss Beauty. This one is under the shade Barn Red, and this one is under the shade Berry Crimson. So I'm going to try this, and she's going to try this.
We are just swapping our
Our go-to
lip
lipsticks.
crayons.
Oh God, this is so nude. It's like
It looks kind of orangey, kind
Yeah.
of on me. This one looks orangey.
this
This
is
is shade.
this is the nudest lipstick I have tried today. This is so nude. It feels like I have nothing applied on my lips. But this is so cool. I like these kind of lipsticks.
This is also good. I mean, for everyday kind of lipstick. So
But this is like little pale for me, I guess.
yeah, I mean, I use this as an everyday. When I just run around.
I just want to swap again. Like,
Yeah.
let's see.
Yeah, we'll do. This is like proper nude to me.
Yes, to me as well. And this one is like nude but little brick brown or red kind of shade. So yeah.
And this is a proper like nude brown. So I use this lipstick whenever I just like a quick hangout, or when I go to gym. Mostly I use this as a perfect nude. So yeah, it is both of these lipsticks I think will
Yes.
suit on both of the skin tones.
Yes.
So these are like proper brown nude lipsticks, guys. So yeah, you can
You
just
can
go
just
ahead.
try. So I already said the shade, so you will get all of the lipstick links in description. So we are going to try the lipstick, guys.